Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most influential companies in artificial intelligence, Google DeepMind. If you've heard names like AlphaGo, AlphaFold, or AlphaZero, this is the research powerhouse behind them. So let's explore where DeepMind came from, what it does, and why it's such a big deal. DeepMind began in London in 2010, founded by Demis Hassabis, Shane Legg, and Mustafa Suleyman. Their goal was ambitious: solve intelligence, understand the nature of intelligence itself, and then use that understanding to tackle complex real-world problems. They quickly attracted attention and investment from major figures: Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, Jan Tallinn, Horizons Ventures, and several major venture funds. Just a few years later, in 2014, Google acquired DeepMind for a price widely estimated at around $500 million, Google's biggest European acquisition at that time. That should tell you how powerful their early research looked. After the acquisition, Google created an ethics board to ensure DeepMind's technology would be used responsibly. Although the exact structure of that board has never been fully explained, most earlier AI systems were built for a single task. DeepMind wanted something different: flexible intelligence. Instead of training models only on fixed data, DeepMind systems often teach themselves through reinforcement learning, basically learning by trial and error at massive scale. They even developed architectures like the neural Turing machine, a network combined with short-term memory so the AI can remember, plan and reason more like a human problem solver. DeepMind became known globally after transforming what AI could do in games. AlphaGo. The world watched as AlphaGo defeated top Go players including Fan Hui and later Lee Sedol. 9Dan, something experts thought would take decades to achieve. This was a turning point in modern AI. Then DeepMind went further. AlphaGo Zero learned Go from scratch, with no human data, and beat the original AlphaGo 100 to 0. Next, DeepMind created a universal system that mastered chess, shogi, and Go purely by playing itself. No human strategies needed. AlphaStar, a reinforcement learning agent that reached the top competitive ranks in StarCraft 2, beating professional players under real tournament conditions. DeepNash, a new system able to master strategy, one of the most complex board games ever created, thanks to a blend of game theory and deep reinforcement learning. AlphaTensor DeepMind's AI discovered new mathematical algorithms, including a matrix multiplication technique that beat the best-known method from 1969. This was a breakthrough in computer science, not just AI. One of DeepMind's most important achievements is AlphaFold. Starting in 2016, DeepMind worked on predicting the 3D structure of proteins using only their amino acid sequence. In 2020, AlphaFold 2 reached an accuracy so high that scientists called the decades-old protein folding challenge solved. This changed biology, medicine, and drug research forever. DeepMind later released AlphaFold 2 as open source in 2021, accelerating research worldwide. DeepMind also explores MuZero, a planning and prediction system that learns rules by observation. WaveNet, the technology behind Google's natural-sounding text-to-speech, robotics, including football-playing mini robots, healthcare, designing tools like the NHS kidney injury detection app, materials science, where their known model discovered 2.2 million crystal structures, ethics and safety research through the DeepMind Ethics and Society Group. And in 2023, Google merged DeepMind with Google Brain, forming Google DeepMind, with founder Demis Hassabis leading all of Google's advanced AI research. So who is Google DeepMind? It's one of the world's most advanced AI labs, a place where new breakthroughs in mathematics, biology, gaming, robotics, and language technology are happening all the time. Their work doesn't just push AI forward, it reshapes entire scientific fields. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.